Hi lovely people, how are you? So if you read from my description, I'm going to be doing the first impressions of the new Tartelette. This is the blush book. This just came out maybe about a week ago, but I did get this about a week and a half ago. They had like a pre-sale early access, so I did purchase this, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And I think this was so cool. So it looks like a little notebook. So do you remember like Christmas holidays? On the holidays, usually the blush book is like a little circle. I never bought any of them. I do have a couple of the Tarte blushes, like just the regular singles. So when I seen this, I thought it was so cute. So that's what it looks like, and it's pretty sturdy. It looks like paper right here, and when you open it up, it looks like a little notebook. Now this part right here does not come out. It's like a little piece of paper that separates everything. So that's what it looks like right there on the one side. Do I have something on there? Let's see, like there. And then this is what the other side looks like. It is really pretty. So I'm going to try this on my face, and then I'll do some swatches so you guys can see what it looks like. I think the packaging is a very, very like luxurious. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of got some weight to it, and it's so nice. It looks just like I know I keep saying it, but I am a sucker for packaging, and this packaging is really, really pretty. So let's see. I'm going to do a little bit of the bronzer. Now I have a little bronzer on my face already. I'm going to swatch this, and it's very soft and silky, and that's what it looks like. Let me do like a little swatch. So it's a little sheen. It's definitely not matte, but it's very pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on just a Morphe brush. And let's see what it looks like. I have a mirror right in front of me. And, oh, that's pretty. You guys can see. That really is pretty. I do like that. And it is more pigmented than what I thought. So, there we go. That's what that looks like, if you can see. Really, really pretty. So it looks like there's like maybe one highlight shade on this right here, if you guys can see. And it is called Extra Credit. Let's see. So that's what it looks like on the finger. That's pretty. This is like definitely subtle. It's nothing too blinding. Really pretty. I'm going to go in. I got this on Ipsy. I think it's like a SL Glam. I love this for highlighting. I'm going to go into that palette right there and put that on. I always put highlighter on before blush. Let's see if you guys can see. That's pretty nice. That is really, really nice. I do like it. This is the only like highlight shade. Can see. That is gorgeous. Put a little more on. Who doesn't like highlighter? And I'm gonna put some on my nose. You guys can see. Oh, so this is really pretty though. It is. Oh, I really, really like this. So far, I'm really liking this. Okay, Anne, stop. That's enough with that. All right, I'm going to go in with, what is this brush? I don't know, remember where I got this brush from, but let's see. I'm going to go in with this called Team Spirit over here, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to go in with that first. And I don't know if you guys can see. It's a little powdery, but not really. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. The reason why I put blush on last is because sometimes I go a little hand with my highlighter. So if I bring it down just a little bit too low for my liking, I can go in with the blush and kind of like cover it up. Now I do have to go in with another layer to get it a little bit more darker. But that's what it looks like. This is really pretty. Let's find another color I can put on top. I'm going to go with, what color? Spirit Fingers. We'll go on this side right here. You guys can see. And I'll try that as well. So if you, I don't know if you guys can see a little bit of kick up that it is doing. I have to go to Walmart after this. I'm going to look for board games because on Thursday nights I have live streams and I want to do something really fun and find a game that we can play. So I don't want to put too much more on because it's a lot of blush. So I really, really like this. I don't know if I told you the price was $44. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blushes, 1 bronzer, and 1 highlighter. So you get 10 shades all together. And it's really pretty. So let's do some swatches. Okay, I'm going to do Spirit Fingers, that is right here. And then this is Rah Rah over here. So, pretty. And there are those 2 shades right there. I have the bronzer that is right there. And then the last 2 shades down here are Lumber Party right here and Pop Quiz. So let's see. And I can't get over how creamy this is. Or silky, buttery. And there we go right there. And it's only 1 swatch. Now let's see if it is buildable. Yeah, they definitely are buildable. You guys can see. All right. So let's go in with these top 2 shades right here. So we have Study Test and Team Spirit. Then in the middle, we have that highlighter. I'll just swatch that again so I can show you guys. Really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me go on this hand. I can't get over how pretty this is. And then we have that highlighter. And then the last 2 shades down here, which I'll show you everything on my arm. This is called, I don't know what this is saying. Lylas. I don't know what that means. And Secret Crush. So there we go, are the shades right there. These 2 I got a little too close. So that's what it looks like, guys, right there. I think it's really, really pretty. It is buildable. It does have some kick up to it, but I will show you guys again the shades right there. There we go. So like I said, I like it. The packaging is really nice. I do recommend this for $44. As you can see, it is really, really pretty. Do you need it? If you already have the other blush books, you really don't need this unless you like it for the packaging. But if you don't, and if you wanted to try Tarte blushes, I really recommend this. I think it's really, really pretty. I will definitely continue using that. And that is everything. I'm going to get off of here. Please give me a like if you like these first impressions and leave a comment down below. Did you purchase this? Are you going to purchase this? What do you think of it? Let me know the tea down in my comments below. And over here, I always leave other videos if you want to see more of me. And until my next video. Bye, guys.